At this point, we're going to put our access panel back on place, and make sure you got your insulation barrier in front of that. That keeps the heat in and seals it. Let's get another hole lined up here. I usually like to do opposites to get everything lined up here. Now, get these started here. Like so. And we're going to look for the LED to fire up. I'm going to flip the main switch here. Got activity. And we'll see if we get our furnace to run. All systems go. Okay. And the control board should send a signal to the other sensor to cause your upper chamber to start the combustion. You'll know here in a minute once the pressure gets going. And you hear that traditional noise of your pulse furnace, that tells you that it's active and running. So you have a suspicion of a control board where your LED keeps going off right here. Chances are it's going to be that loose wire that's on top of the sensor. This thing does vibrate a lot, and over time that will get loose, so you could have a possible repair person telling you need a whole control board when you don't. And from what I hear, a lot of these parts are being discontinued on this type of unit, so you need to get them, you need to shop and get them before they're gone. Prices just keep going up.
Hit eBay.
Yeah, eBay's a good place. Alright, I think we're back in business, and I'm getting ready to put the control cover back on. All systems go. And we'll let it cycle and do its magic.
Bye-bye.
Alright, take care.